you have to do. You have to get a bit clever. And of course, for me, of course, you know, I utilised it very well, but I like running big long trains. And so, of course, I've got lots of big long trains because it's on my road. There are plans for advanced extensions.
I see. Because the engine, what if you added a second engine?
So I'm trying to get it to go round.
But he doesn't have the clue yet on what to do about ground cover. Well, he bought a flat of it, and he goes out and he puts it out, and then instead of hooking up a sprinkler system,
yeah, I got a lot in there now. That's just where the curve is. Is that the cast mark? Yeah, that's just the curve is mold. He's got a straight piece. It's all cast marks. Why would you put that? A lot of them really well.
Hello there, how are you?
How are you?
Grand. She ran out of go right here, so I ended up yakking with people. That's Dave.
Cars across the trains. Something went wrong.
It's a fun hobby. You have great to do with there. And they, of course, have the business as well.
LGBs, huh?
All right. In fact, when I first looked at it, it was a parking lot.
all right. And then stop there.
Looks like somebody. Maybe trying to get by you, I'll walk around there.